Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're going to clean the throttle body. Sometimes you may notice that when you go to step on the gas pedal will stick a little bit. Come out here and you'll find the throttle body sticking a little bit. It's due to carbon buildup on the throttle body. So what we can do is we're going to show you how to clean it. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver. I'm going to loosen up this clamp here. You can pull this out of the way. Like that. All right, so we're going to clean the throttle body. We're going to use a little bit of brake cleaner on a toothbrush. Make sure there's a toothbrush you're not using. You don't want to use this toothbrush afterwards. So spray some brake cleaner on there. Open the throttle body. Just clean it out like this. And clean all in here. Spray a bunch more brake clean in here. You can also use carburetor, choke, and throttle body cleaner as well as brake parts cleaner. This might work a little bit better than brake parts cleaner. I believe it doesn't dry as fast. So, put that all down. And we can take a rag, we can wipe it down with our finger. The brush helps to loosen up some of the carbon buildup. Spray the rag with a little bit of carburetor cleaner. So as you can see, it looks really clean, and the throttle body is opening and closing properly. And that is it. Now we can reinstall the snorkel. Slide this on. I'll tighten down the worm clamp with a straight screwdriver. And that's it. Now we'll replace this. Put this throttle body wire back, throttle body cable back, but you didn't need to remove that. Now when you first start up the vehicle, it may run a little rough, but it should balance out, and then you'll be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.